In this video, I'll show you how to download and install your Plus 100 Creators Essential Procreate Pack, step by step. After completing your purchase, you'll receive a download link. Tap the download button to start downloading the brush pack. Once the download is complete, the Files app will open to save the zip file you just downloaded. Tap the Save button. If you don't have the Unzip app installed, you can download it for free from the App Store. Open the Files app on your iPad and go to the Downloads folder. You'll see a zip file with the brush pack name. To extract it, long press on the file. From the menu, tap Share, then choose the Unzip app. Inside the Unzip app, you'll find your Procreate brush pack. Tap on it and press OK. This will create a folder with all the brush files. Now tap the three dots on the right side of the extracted folder and select Send/Open In. Then tap Save to Files and tap Save. Inside the folder, you'll find several .brush set files. Simply tap on a brush set file. Procreate will open automatically and import the brushes. Repeat the same step for any additional brush sets. That's it.